magpakita siya. I question his motives. Let me question his motives. Bakit lagi kaming kine-question? Sinusundan lang namin ang batas. Sundin din niya ang batas. Yun lang.
Hamon yan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy matapos kwestiyonin ng kanyang kampo kung sino ang mga pribadong individual na nag-alok ng 10 milyong pisong pabuya para ituro ang kinaroroonan ni Kibuloy at kung ano ang kanilang motibo. Sinagot din ng Pangulo kung bakit ito tinanggap ng Department of Interior and Local Government.
Bakit hindi? They want to help us bring a fugitive to justice. You know, he is a fugitive. He is hiding from the law. Now, if there are private citizens who want to assist the government in that